Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we are going to learn about how you can sync your video files while maintaining the same quality. Okay. Now if you guys have ever used Fraps or similar recording software such as Dextry or something, you will notice that the file sizes is very large and it will take a very long time to upload to YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to maintain the same quality while making the file size smaller from 1 GB to 100 MB. That's quite easy. You just need a software and that's pretty much easy. And the software is called HandBrake. So let's move to the browser where we will see how to download this HandBrake software and how we will use it. Now let's go to the Google Chrome and click on it and write HandBrake software download on taskbar. Then click on enter. Then move to this link and download HandBrake 32-bit. Click on this link where you will get download option for getting this software. Click on download latest version and your program is now downloading. And guys, you have to wait for some time. Then click on keep. So guys, here you can see that our HandBrake software has been already downloaded. Click on it and open the software for install. Click on yes. Click on next. I agree. Click on install. Then click on finish. So move to the desktop and you can see your HandBrake software. So this is your HandBrake software. So guys, thank you for downloading. Now you can see how you will use this software. So guys, let's have some example where you can see how to reduce MB size of any particular video. First select that video. Now you can see this video is hello and its size is 316 MB. So now we'll see how to reduce the file size of this particular video from 316 MB to 23 MB. So guys, let's open the HandBrake software. Then choose that video which MB size you want to reduce. Hello, then drag it to HandBrake software. Select, choose one of the particular sizes up to which you would want to reduce your file. So select 480p, click on it, click on browser and select where you want to save your file. So here I choose the desktop to put this file. So write the file name, for example hello1, then click on save, then click on start encode. So here you can see our processing has already been started. You have to wait for some time because it will take some time for encoding. So you have to wait. Our encoding process is finished now. So close the software and go to the desktop. So guys, now you can see this is our hello1 video file which is extracted from hello and you can see the file size become reduced from 315 MB to 23 MB. And still the video quality is remaining same as to the previous one. So now you can see the previous video. Now you can see the extracted video. Now you can see over here the quality is completely same as previous one. So in this way you use HandBrake software to reduce your file size. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.